In OneSignal, your audience is made up of users. Each user has a unique OneSignal ID to identify them. Each user can have multiple subscriptions for each channel, including mobile push, web push, email, and SMS. Each subscription has a unique subscription ID and is linked to the user via the external ID, which is used as the main point of identification for your user. For each subscription on your user, they will share the same OneSignal ID and external ID, but their subscription ID will be unique. You can assign data tags to your users that can be used to personalize messages and group users together into segments. You can group your users into segments to target in messages later by specifying a set of criteria that users must have to enter that segment. This can include data tags or native properties of the user, such as their device type or country of origin. When you've created a segment, you can target that segment as the audience for your message. You can also use data tag substitution to include the value of data tags in the message, allowing you to easily personalize the message for each recipient. For more information, visit documentation.onesignal.com or scan the QR code on screen now.